Exterior check complete.
Everything in order out there?
All good, Captain. It's my daughter. I gotta take this. I'm dining. Huh. Good question.
That'll never fit. Let me store it at the back.
And I'll see you tonight. All done?
Good. Let's get going.
Let's do it. Request permission to taxi.
Metrojet 9268, runway 04 right.
Sharm el-Sheikh, Metrojet 9268. Request takeoff clearance. Runway 04 right.
Metrojet 9268, cleared for takeoff, runway 04 right.
$80 knots. Check. V1.
V1.
Metrojet 9268, prepare to contact Nicosia Control, local frequency.
Affirmative, Sharm el-Sheikh. We'll let you know when we've left Egypt airspace.
Metrojet 9268, are you experiencing any difficulties?